Despite spending nearly $5,000 on this Dell Precision workstation, this laptop only shipped with a single 512GB SSD,
which for a professional laptop is ridiculous.
which is why our customers had to store all their files on these two 2TB external drives.
But that's annoying and inconvenient.
So let's take the system from 500GB to adding an extra 4TB of storage from Crucial, which on this Dell Precision 7680 is super easy. Because if you just remove 6 captive screws, the bottom cover pulls right up. And this system has something you probably haven't seen before. This is DDR5 CAM. It's a flat DDR5 module that's an alternative to SODIMM memory. And it's not only space efficient, but it can also be incredibly fast. But back to our upgrade, thanks to the system actually having 4 M.2 slots, to add our 4TB, it's super easy. We just first needed to disconnect our battery
To prevent the system from powering on while we're working on it.
and then because we're gonna use SSD slot 2, we can pull up this heatsink so we can slot in and install our SSD. And if you're ever using a heatsink on an SSD, make sure you remove the plastic first. This way it can actually do its job and transfer that heat away. And with that good, we can reconnect our battery and close this system up. And then a little pro tip, anytime you install an SSD like that, it won't just show up in Windows.
Because it doesn't have a file system and it hasn't been formatted yet.
The good thing is that's super easy to do because if you just right click on the start button, you'll get this menu here, and if you go up to disk management, you'll be prompted immediately to initialize your disk. For any modern drive, you're gonna wanna use GPT, click OK, and then to actually assign this drive a drive layer, we're gonna right click where it says unallocated space, click New Simple Volume, and walk through the New Simple Volume wizard, assigning it the letter D, along with naming it Data. Which within seconds of completing it, the drive shows up in File Explorer with its full 4TB. And now that this portable workstation actually has some storage to it, let's get this system back over to our customer.